Hello everyone, welcome to the Universal Classroom. In today's video, we will learn how to use sort and filter option in Excel and how to find subtotal. Let's start with an example. I'm taking this data as we used in the previous video also for calculating the D sum, D count and D average. There are multiple reasons in this. Let's suppose we only want to see the data from central region. So how will we do it? Just select the top row where you want to use the filter and sort option. Select it, go to the sort and filter. Here is an option for filter, or you can directly use the sort option from here also. Just click on the filter option and see here are these arrows are coming. Now this is the filter option. We can use it on any of the columns. And how will we use it? Just click on this arrow, click on it. You will see all the different things that we have entered in this column. Like there are 4 things only in this column. That's a central, east, south and west. For example, if you only want to see the central data here, just click on select all, then click central, okay, and see. The only data we have visible is of central only. We can use it in multiple columns. Like if you want to add one more filter on categories like for furniture only, then we can use it. And how will we remove this filter? Just same click on it, and here there is an option here that's clear filter from category. It's clear from here. Now clear filter from region, okay, and then select okay. Now see there is 2, and directly it's for this central line here, that is of row 3, and it's hidden because it belongs from other region, and we have used the central region filter here only. That's why it is in. And let's just double click on it. See, it's from south region, that's why it is hidden. Now our second point is how to sort the data. So just click on this icon here, that's filter icon. We can sort the things from here also. There are 2 options: sort oldest to newest, sort newest to oldest. Third option is sort by color, which will be used if we have done any color coding in the sheet. Then only we can use it, or we can create a custom format also. So if we use sort oldest to newest, then it will start from Jan, and the last row will be of December. Like in that series from Jan to first, it will show the Jan data, below that it will be Feb data, below that March. And if we will use newest to oldest, then it will show from December, as December is the latest month, instead of Jan 2024. Okay, now just let's sort it from oldest to newest. See, first it will show the date of Jan, and then it will go to Feb and March and so on. And like in, if we goes to segment, there is option of sort from A to Z and Z to A. It will sort the things with the alphabetical arrangement of the that word we have typed in the sheet. So let's just sort A to Z. See, the first word is consumer, and then it will calculate according to the, it will automatically show according to the alphabetical order. And Z to A will be first the last letter, starting from last letter, that's home, and then so on. Okay, now our third thing is, like if we are using filters here, just insert a row here, If you want to calculate the sum of these items, that will be the formula is equal to sum tab, and then select the data using control shift and arrow, bracket close. So this is the sum of this, as we have already learned about this in the previous lectures. Now if we are filtering it out, like we only want to see it for furniture only, it's not changing because it's calculating for the complete range. And how will we calculate for only for that, like furniture in this case, as we have applied the filter for the furniture? Then just simply remove it. We will calculate it with subtotal formula. That's subtotal is equal to subtotal. Then we have the first argument is function number, that what we want to calculate. You're going to calculate the sum, so just clicks on the sum and then tab. And our second argument is reference. In this case our reference is this I from I3 to the last row of I column. So let's just select it with control shift and arrow, and then just close the bracket and hit enter. Okay, so see, these are matching now, as there is no filter, that's why the values coming are same. Now just go to category, filter out the things, select only furniture. See, it's changing. If we are going to calculate it for furniture and office supplies only, then also it will calculate the sum. So this is the major difference between the sum and subtotal formula. In sum, if we are applying filters, we cannot calculate the updated values. It will just remain the same. But in subtotal formula, if we are using filters, then it will calculate the sum according to the filtered items only. So there you have it. In this video we have learned about how to use filters, how to sort the data, and difference between the sum and subtotal formula. I hope you find the video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching.